Hello. For some reason, my last take didn't record, so you missed me making the most amazing art, quote unquote. So I'll play a speed paint of it like 7 times, just cause, and explain my thoughts, because apparently it didn't record, and I'm not redrawing them. So, I apparently have 100 subs, over 100 subs now. If you don't like over 70% of the content I post regularly, I would recommend unsubscribing, because I'm not going to stop posting those. And I'm going to get killed for this, but I don't know why all of you are subscribed, because my stuff is not that great, if I'm honest. I'm going to be killed for that later, like sevenfold. So, I've got some beautiful ship dynamics, because this one right here, the whale who doesn't understand anything about romance. This one right here is 100% expert at shipping. Just gonna drop out, because why not? Yep. Yeah. I'm definitely an expert. So, I've even given reasons as to why these work. Thank you for another sub. Oh my, okay. This is the special for it, so thank you. So, I'm going to play the replay. So that was me being like, I'm an expert at shipping, 100% certified. So this is NNPH, joke ships. We got Forbidden Love right there. Like, okay, let's just go through this very slowly. So my confused butt, because we gotta take my confused butt, we gotta move it to the side, because I am a total expert at shipping, definitely. And as you can see, I'm 100% certified, not in that kind of shipping, but in shipping hearts. So this is Pandy 351 series, NNPH, but joke ships, maybe called crack ships, not sure. So as you can see, starting off strong with Nox X Stick, the most beautiful ship anyone could think of, definitely. OTP right there. Because, Forbidden Love. Okay, then we have the kitty cat himself, Leo the Lion, X a cardboard box, enemies to lovers. Then we have Jack X a fire extinguisher, and I didn't know how draw fire extinguisher. Yes, that says a fire extinguisher. Jack X fire extinguisher is friends to lovers, because, they work together often. And they're friends, I would assume. So, we've got roommates. They're fine, and they were roommates. Got Pandy's, ex-Pandy's party hat, which, honestly, best ship right there. And then I said, gotta divide this, and I'm gonna do this half. And then I'll be done. Then I did Conjure X a dust bunny, because childhood and long-time friends. And I was like, how the flip do I differentiate the puppets? And then I remembered they have ears and tail. We have Conjure Exodust Bunny, one of the best ships. Springy X Sugar, but the substance for Love on First Sight. Then I started noticing the colors were shifting for some reason. So we got Lennox here. I was doing all this from memory, so I didn't really remember what Lennox looked like. A Lennox X Rock. This one was difficult, so I just did Punny X Emotionless. Then we have Sammy X an Acorn. Did Symbiotic Relationship, because you can't have one without the other. And then we have the beautiful fonted Wet Floor Sign X Chorus Pool. Enemies to friends to lovers. Such good. And then we have Nyx X Paperwork, because they tolerate each other at first and then they fall in such deep love. Totally. This is definitely what happens. Then we got Plushy Puppet, who is tough small, and the vents, which are humongous. Like, if you've seen bits of the vents of NNPH, they're really big systems. So it's Gentle Giant. And then I drew Goldie. I forgot his ears and Goldie Xbox. And I was going to originally, there was only one bed, but I did forced living. I'm gonna give Goldie his cat ears, because he's a kitty cat. Yeah. These are all very good ships. If you want me to do PPHH, I'll do that for the 200 sub special, if that happens. If y'all want another one where I do more characters or inanimate objects from NNPH, because this isn't even barely covering it. If you want me to do that, I am willing to do a part 2 of this absolute mess, because I am very knowledgeable, totally 1000% knowledgeable in the art of romance. Yeah, if you want more of that, I'm happy to make another one, and hopefully it will actually record. Yeah, and if you want me to do PPHH, I might do that for the next special, or I just make joke ships. It's mostly going to be characters with inanimate objects, but you know, other things may happen. They're all going to be jokes. Either way. None of these are serious. I hope someone got a chuckle out of this. And if they think I actually ship these things, you're crazy. This video I've presented as serious, but now it's just me goofing around. Yeah, almost to 10 minutes. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you for subscribing. If you enjoy my content, please do like. I would say subscribe, but you already subscribed. Most of you that are going to watch this. Like, subscribe, comment. I love comments. Comments are fun. I love interacting with the comments. They're a lot of fun. So, yeah. How about go check out some of my content. See if you like it. And if you do, that's great. Let me know if you all want more of this, because this is like just something I thought of randomly, because I had nothing prepared. didn't even know until like today that I had 90 subs. So tonight, actually, like 2 hours ago, that I had 90 subs, and I was like, oh. And then I showed a friend, and yeah, a string happened, a domino effect. If I didn't say anything, I wouldn't have to be making this, am I right? And anyway, I hope people enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun to make. Originally, I wish this wasn't a second take of that. I wish it would have let me record everything with what I was doing, because there was a lot of funny stuff I said. Oh, I said, here's one for the quote books. I said, while I was doing that thing. Actually, I think while I was doing XX paperwork, I'm like, that's not a ship dynamic, but we're making a ship dynamic because I am the Shakespeare of Ship Dynamics. And that was a beautiful quote, and I want to repeat that because it got lost to the void. Anyway, bye-bye. Thanks for somehow over 100 subs. And I'm going to die for saying this again. But I don't think my content's that good. But if you like it, cool. I hope you enjoyed this. Random nonsense. Goodbye, humans, humanoids, creatures, and other sentient objects. I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whatever time you're watching this. Please get some sleep and brush your teeth.